Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Kayum from Q's Basic Cooking. Today I'm going to make something called a hospital jam. That's a jam that is made with prunes. Those are the prunes and those are dates. So we will take 2 cups of prune and 2 cups of dates and 5 cups of water, pinch of salt, half a lemon, and we will make a jam out of it. And this jam is very good for regularity. That's why they call it the hospital jam. And it's also very good for diabetics because this is the dates are very high in fiber. So not only it's yummy if you don't eat too much. So it's like 2 spoons you can put on your toast in the morning, and that will keep your stomach working nicely, politely put. So let's make it. I already measured. That's 2 cups of dates, pitted dates. There's no seed in there. And 2 cups of prunes. So now we are going to put 5 cups of water and we will let it boil. I already put 4 and 5 cups of water. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to squeeze half a lemon. Juice of half squeezed lemon will be enough. And why I'm using lemon is because this will prevent the sugars from the dates and prune to crystallize. Will stop it from crystallizing. So whenever I make a jam, I always try to use some lemon juice in it. So now we are ready to put it on the, it's like medium to high. This is so simple, very few ingredients and a very healthy jam. Let's call it healthy jam because this will help our stomachs regulate. So we are going to let that cook, and when the water goes down, I'll be back. Okay, so you can see it's boiling, cooking away, already getting thick and soft. Those if you can see, the dates are full of amazing fibers that are so good for us, and those 2 fruits are so wholesome that we don't need to add anything to this. No sugar, nothing. I added salt because salt will cut down on the sugar, and I added the half a lemon juice, and that's because the sugars at some point will begin to crystallize, and I don't want my jam to go bad. So otherwise it's just, both of those fruits are just amazing, and it's so simple. Look at the fibers, look how they're pulling away. Alrighty, so we're gonna let it cook for another half an hour and then we will check on it. I believe that God has not created anything that has no purpose. Everything has its own purpose. So if you are like me and you don't like too much medication in your body, you can try doing things the natural way. That's how I'm learning to do these things. See how I'm pushing it down because I don't want big hard chunks. So I'm going to really push them down and make them soft. Alrighty. Time to time I will do that. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and please leave some feedback. Let me know how I'm trying, how I'm doing, and give me thumbs up. And the little red button, click on it so next time I come up with an idea and my daily video will come straight to you. So you can see how nicely it's coming through. It's getting nice and thick. I think another half an hour and we will have our jam ready. So the whole thing will take approximately 40 minutes to 1 hour, 1 hour something. Let's see. First 20 minutes I have cooked it on low to high, medium to high, excuse me, medium to high heat, and now I'm going to cook it on medium to low because it's getting thick and it's making those bubbles, smelling good too. So yeah, so another 20 minutes and I'll get back. All right, still working on it. There's no age restriction on who can eat this, who cannot, because this jam is made with incredibly beneficial true fruits, and it's natural remedy. So nothing in there that you cannot use it for kids. It's just a jam, you know, a jam, but a very healthy jam. Let's put it that way. So this, my friends, is the jam. It's ready. We are going to let it cool down for 20 minutes and then fill up our jars. It smells amazing and it tastes very delicious. If nothing else, you know, just make it for everyday use. So you can see I filled up one jar and I'm going to let it cool down and then seal it. And I still have one more jar. I did not make it too thick because when it's completely cooled down, this is going to get thicker. So I don't want it too thick. Okay, there you go. So if you like my idea, please let me know. Thank you very much. I'll be back soon with something else. Bye bye.